So I figured I'd make a real quick video on how to change the oil on your Craftsman snowblower. This one happens to be in SB470. So first of all, when should you change your oil? Well, after you get it, if you get a brand new one, change it after the first 5 hours you run it. You can estimate that, or you can get an hour meter that'll measure how long it's been running. So that's for the first time since new. And then after that, you do it every 50 hours or once a year, whichever comes first. It'll probably be, for most people, once a year. Okay, in the manual here it says for 208 to 243 cc engines, use 600 milliliters or approximately 20 ounces of oil. For 227 to 357 and 420 cc engines, use 1100 milliliters or approximately 37.2 ounces of oil. And then when you check it with a dipstick, you don't screw it back in, is what it says here. You just pop it on there and then take it right back out, and then read what it says on the marks. Okay, here's the chart that says what weight of oil to use. So if you're somewhere where it regularly gets down below 0, then use 0W30. If you're somewhere where it's usually 0 degrees Fahrenheit or above, then use 5W30. And I always use 100% synthetic. It doesn't really matter what brand, as long as it's just SAE. The first thing you want to do is let the thing warm up for 15 minutes or so, get the oil really nice and warm. Here's the drain plug with a 10mm bolt. You couldn't get that catch can under there, so I just have a little funnel, and that worked just fine. Spilled a little before I got the funnel under there just right, but no problem. I'll clean it right up. Check this out. The crush washer is gone, and it ended up in the funnel. I caught it later and tried to make a short video describing what happened, but that video didn't record for some reason. So yeah, be careful and make sure that crush washer doesn't end up in your used oil or the funnel, and make sure it's under there. And you replace this bolt. And you get your oil. This is 5W30 synthetic. I'd get full synthetic. Here's where you fill it. And these things usually take about a half a quart, something like that. Put it up on the screen what this particular one is, but just look at your manual. It's for these, this is a 243 cc. You see on the side, there's usually a gauge where you can see how much you've used. You just want to check it, make sure it's up to the line. I already did this off camera. I wiped it all down to check it. And it's just a little bit above that top hole there. And then you start it up. And that's how easy it is to change your oil.